Man, what we gonna do, man? We gonna...
Hey, we gonna...
Oh, you did it on purpose, you scared me, man. You did it on purpose.
You guys, before we jump into this video, I would like to give a big shout out to Mouth Masker for sponsoring today's video. If you guys don't know what Mouth Masker is by hearing that name, basically what they make is great quality cloth face masks. And you guys, these aren't the typical cheap, flimsy masks, y'all. And with the coronavirus on the rise nowadays, masks are essential. Make sure you guys go to mouthmasker.com and cop a Shlide mask to not only slide away from the coronavirus, you feel me, but to also rep the Shlide gang, you know what I'm saying? And once again, I would like to give a big shout out to Mouth Masker for sponsoring this video. Once again, I will have our collab link in the description. Make sure you guys go show some love. Tell everybody you know to cop a mask to protect yourself from not only the coronavirus, but also to rep the Shlide gang. Let's slide into this video. Let's get it. What is going on, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video, you guys. Welcome back to ShlideTv, man. I got another banger video for you guys, man. And you guys, basically in this video, I did another collab with my boy Magnificent KTG, man. And basically what we did in this video, we went around Walmart. I know you guys know the sound where when you squeeze a water bottle, it makes like a weird sound to the human ear. It makes like a weird, cringy sound. And so that's basically what we did. We ran around the Walmart, squeezing the water bottle near people's ears, getting funny reactions, because it makes like a weird sound. You're gonna see what we're talking about. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you were part of the Shlide gang, man, I'm so sorry, you guys. I got nothing but consistent videos rolling in for you guys, man. I just been stacking, you know what I'm saying? Stacking. And you guys, I got a lot of crazy things coming up, man. I got some more bangers finna drop, you know what I'm saying? We also got merch. You guys, before I jump into the video, I know you guys probably think I'm capping. You're probably like, Shlide, you're capping on the merch. Shlide, you always say you're gonna drop merch, this and that, you know what I'm saying? Basically, you guys, I'm just trying to wait for the videos to get back in rhythm, you know what I'm saying? The bangers start dropping back in emotion. And then once we get that rhythm back, you guys, I will drop the best merch on YouTube. I'm not capping, the best. This is some of the merch right here, you know what I'm saying? We got all color beanies, you know what I'm saying? We're dropping the best merch on YouTube, but that's another story for later, man. I don't want to hold you guys up, so let's go ahead and slide into this video, man. Let's get it. Man, you know what I'm saying? We just made it into the Walmart, you know what I'm saying? Got my boy Magnificent, Magnificent Kevin Durant.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I got my boy, I'm just playing, Magnificent KTG in the building. You already know what I'm saying?
Man, we about to get to war.
Man, what we gonna do, man? We gonna... What are you talking about? I got my boy. Introduce yourself. We don't even gotta really say too much. Steve, man, SPK, man. We finna go to the. This man. What are y'all doing? Hey, but yeah, we finna go to the water section. Dang, he in the cut. Dang. This man in the cut. What's going on, bro? But yeah, we finna go to the water bottle section. So let's slide. And y'all ain't even gonna catch. We kind of deep in the Walmart, ain't we? Man, we kind of a little bit too deep in the Walmart. Where they keep the water at though? Hold up. They got the essential water. I don't know nothing about the essential water. What he doing? What this man doing? Why is this man? He's like a ninja. That boy running around the Walmart. This man trim. Bro, what did you do? You over here collecting dust on the floor? You over here collecting dust. Boy, got pants all dusty and stuff. Like, he said it's where the water bottles at, bro? All right, y'all, we're in the water section for a change. You know what I'm saying? We only need one water, and we just paying for the water. You know what I'm saying? We don't steal over here. We are paying for the water.
They're gonna scan this barcode right here.
Yeah, they're gonna scan it. And you said they're gonna scan it. But yeah, we gonna purchase this water. Man, make sure you guys leave me a comment. Tell me you guys' favorite brand of water. Do y'all like the what's the different types of water? You like the Dasani, you got the Aquafina, you got the Fiji, you got, man, comment what's y'all favorite water. You got Deer Park, you know what I'm saying? Comment you guys' favorite water, man. And we finna go ahead and jump into this prank video. Let's get it, man. Appreciate that. You're Get off.
Oh, you did it on purpose, you scare me, man. You did it on purpose, you scare me.
Oh, no. I'm just looking for a part of my mom.
Gotcha, bitch!
What happened? You heard that?
Huh?
Do you hear that?
What?
That. Am I going crazy right now?
Alright, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, man. My Slide Gang, they holding it down. Y'all stop playing. And like I said, if you are not part of Slide Gang, tell everybody you know to subscribe, and make sure you subscribe yourself. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, I kind of hit a rough patch with these videos. Just everything coming together, the coronavirus. And if you didn't know, my mom, she caught the coronavirus, so it was just a lot of rough things. I was taking care of her, you know what I'm saying, making sure she was healthy. It was just a lot of like stuff that was coming at one time, you guys, and I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to provide y'all bangers for like 2 months. But the bangers are back. No more month breaks, no more 2-week breaks, no more none of that. Nothing but consistent videos dropping for you guys. I'm gonna keep dropping these bangers, man. I owe it to you guys, you know what I'm saying? I owe it to you guys to wake you guys back up, because I'm pretty sure y'all Y'all like, dang, Slide, man, he quit YouTube, you know what I'm saying? No, I ain't quit YouTube. It was just a lot of stuff. My car, everything hit at one time, you guys. And I'm just ready to get the bangers start back dropping. I'm sorry, you guys. Y'all probably think I'm bull crapping, but I'm not even bull crapping, y'all. These videos finna start dropping again. And with all that being said, I'll catch you guys next video, man. Let's slide. Let's get it.
It's payday, fellas.